What go on, my people? So big up to Marlon Samuels, a good cricketer. He was once again in the news with his beef with Foota hype. Foota hype is a gossip girl, and this guy Marlon Samuel is a good cricketer, but I think he's an attention whore. The reason why I said that, people, is because Marlon Samuel is known for cricket. All of these mix-up, calling Yanique name and getting in all these mix-up. As Anthony Miller said, because he was on ER, Entertainment Report with Anthony Miller. He's not really of a cricketer. And he's just running down the media, trying to be in the media, just like Foota hype did. You know what I mean? So it's like it's an attention-seeking deficit he has. You know what I mean? And he's calling himself this self-proclaimed icon. You know what I mean? Because he has played for Jamaica team from he was 15, which we applaud him for. But all of these things that you're getting into is not of your thing. You're according to you, you're just energetic. No, I think you're just someone who would be considered a class clown. You know what I mean? Because you're just an attention seeker and you have a inflated ego. We all have an ego, but you have an inflated one. You know what I mean? And that's what I personally think of Marlon Samuel. I have nothing personal against him. I don't know him, but just his persona towards the media and trying to sue Yanique. All of that is irrelevant. Why are you following up this girl? You know what I mean? When she wants nothing to do with you. So that's what I'm saying. It's like it's an attention thing, and it's like it's a class clown syndrome. You know what I mean? No disrespect to him, but that's what he's displaying. You see me? So that's what I personally think of Marlon Samuel when it comes to his social media mediocre. You see me? Because that's just mediocrity. You know what I mean? He should stick to playing cricket because that's his thing and he's talented. But trying to be someone in the media which you have no talent, now you're trying to be an artist and people are around you setting you up. You know what I mean? So it's kind of something that you don't want to see as a cricketer. You know what I mean? Like, he's not an artist. So I think he should just leave being in the media and focus on being a cricketer. You know what I mean? Because that's his thing. You see me? But that's just my personal opinion with people. You see me? Peace. I'm out.
The country you have to look upon. And him do great works too, because even though him the jail, him still be the champion DJ boy. And some boy will say them didn't want him go jail.
The biggest dancehall analyst in the world, Ninja Man. The biggest dancehall analyst in the world, Ninja Man. I am saying that. Winfred Williams. Take me on that if you wish.